In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know what Shopify apps a website is using. This is really useful if you're researching competitors, trying to recreate a feature you've seen on another store, or just curious about how a Shopify site is built behind the scenes. In this walkthrough, we're going to focus on a simple manual method that relies on the website's own code. It might sound technical at first, but I'll guide you through each step so it's clear and easy to follow, even if you're not a developer. First, open the Shopify store you're interested in, using any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Give the page a moment to fully load so all the scripts and apps have time to initialize. Next, right-click anywhere on the page, away from images or links, and select View Page Source. In some browsers, it might say View Source or View Page Source Code, but they all do the same thing. This will open a new tab filled with HTML, JavaScript, and other code that makes up the page. Don't worry if the code looks overwhelming. You're not going to read all of it. Instead, you'll use the browser's search function. Press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac. A small search box will appear, usually at the top right of the window. Now you'll start searching for clues that reveal which apps the store is using. Many Shopify apps leave their name in file paths, script URLs, or comments in the code. Try typing in common app names, one at a time. For example, search for Luke's, Judge Me, Klaviyo, Reconvert, Gempidges, Pagefly, Yotbo, Hotjar, and Lucky Orange. Each time you type a term, hit enter, and your browser will jump to any matching text in the source. When you find a match, look around the highlighted text. You'll often see script links, style sheets, or comments that make it clear an app is installed. This is especially powerful because it can reveal apps that don't show obvious branding on the front end. You can also search for more general patterns that many apps use. Try searching for CDN Shopify.com extensions, or simply apps and widget.js. These terms often appear in script or asset URLs that belong to installed apps and extensions. By carefully scanning these search results, you'll get a very accurate picture of which Shopify apps are running on the site, including some that may be hidden from normal view. This manual method takes a bit of practice, but once you get used to it, it becomes a reliable way to reverse engineer almost any Shopify store's tech stack.